Here's a brief translation of the ingredients and method for making hamburgers. Ingredients for 4 servings. 1. Ground beef, 500 g, preferably with 15 to 20% fat for juicier burgers. 2. Hamburger buns, 4. 3. Cheese slices, 4, optional, cheddar cheese is popular. 4. Lettuce, 4 leaves. 5. Tomato, 1, thinly sliced. 6. Pickles, 4 slices. 7. Onion, 1 small, thinly sliced, optional. 8. Salt and black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon each. 9. Butter, 20 g. 10. Ketchup and mayonnaise, to taste. Instructions. 1. Prepare the patties, mix the ground beef with salt and pepper. Form into 4 equal patties. 2. Cook the patties, grill or fry the patties in a heated pan with butter for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on desired doneness. If using cheese, add it in the last minute of cooking to melt. 3. Toast the buns, lightly butter and toast the buns in the same pan until golden. 4. Assemble the burger, layer lettuce, patties, cheese, tomato, pickles, and onions onto the buns. Add ketchup and mayonnaise as desired. 5. Serve, enjoy with fries or a salad on the side. This is a simple and delicious way to make classic hamburgers.
In your eyes, I find my place. A love so deep I can't erase.